लेट्स स्टार्ट नीट यूजी 2019। देखते हैं कितने जल्दी कंप्लीट कर सका जाता है। तो 91 से स्टार्ट करते हैं बायोलॉजी 2019 का। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट? फर्स्ट, वायरवाइड लैक अ प्रोटीन कोड। सेकेंड, वायरस आर ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट। थर्ड, इन्फेक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट इज इन वायरसेस इन द प्रोटीन कोड। फोर्थ है, प्रोटीन कंसिस्ट ऑफ एबनॉर्मल फोल्डेड प्रोटीन। जिसका थर्ड ऑप्शन है इनकरेक्ट। इन्फेक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट इन वायरसेस इज द प्रोटीन कोड। प्यूरिन फाउंड बोथ इन DNA and RNA are first adenine and thymine, second adenine and guanine, third guanine and cytosine, fourth cytosine and thymine. Second option adenine and guanine. Which of the following glucose transport in is insulin dependent? First है GLUT first, GLUT second, third है GLUT third, fourth है GLUT fourth. 93 fourth option GLUT fourth. Identify the cell whose secretion protect the lining of gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. First है Schwann cell, chief cell, second है goblet cell, third है oxyntic cell, fourth है duodenal cell. 94 second option second goblet cell. Which one of the following equipment is essential required for the growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzyme? First BOD incubator, second slug digester, third industrial oven, fourth bioreactor. Fourth option bioreactor. 96 which of the following is true for the golden rice? First, it is vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. Second, it is pest resistant with a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Third, it is a drought tolerant development using agrobacterium vector. Fourth, it is a yellow grain because of a gene introduced from a primary variety of rice. First option, it is vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. 97 which one of the following is not a method of in situ conservation of a biodiversity? First, biosphere reservation, second wildlife sanctuaries, third botanical garden, fourth is sacred grove. Third option botanical garden. Under which one of the following condition will there be no change in the reading from of the following mRNA? 5 to 3rd AACA GCG GCU AUU. First, insertion of a G at the 5th position, यहाँ पे 5th position. Second, deletion of a G from 5th position. Third, insertion of A and G at 4th and 5th position respectively. Fourth, deletion of a GGU from 7, 8 and 9 position. Fourth option, deletion of GGU from 7, 8 and 9 position. 99 which of the following method is the most suitable for disposal of nuclear waste? First, shoot the waste into space. Second, bury the waste under Antarctica ice cover. Second, dump the waste within a rock under deep ocean. Second, bury the waste within a rock deep below the earth's surface. Fourth option, bury the waste within rock deep below the earth's surface. 100 match the following organism with the product they produce. Lactobacillus का फर्स्ट का कर्ड, फर्स्ट का सेकंड, दो ऑप्शन में है, अब देखना पड़ेगा। बी का 4, सी का 5 और 3rd. सी एस्परजिलस नाइगर, सी का एस्परजिलस नाइगर, सी का 3rd सिट्रिक एसिड, तो इसका सेकंड ऑप्शन हो गया। व्हाट मैप यूनिट्स सेंटीमॉर्गन इज एडॉप्टेड इन the construction of genetic map? First, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 10% crossover. Second, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 100% crossover. Third, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 1% crossover. Fourth, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 50% crossover. Third option, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 1% crossover. 102 select the hormone releasing intrauterine device. Waltz LNG20. Second, multi-load 375 progestasert. Third, progestasert LNG20. Fourth है lapis loop, multi-load 375. 102 का third option progesterone LNG20. Which one of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of the plant disease? First, trichoderma. Second है chlorella. Third है anabaena. Fourth है lactobacillus. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ट्राइकोडर्मा. 104. Expressed sequence tags ESTS refer to first gene expressed as RNA, second polypeptide expression, third DNA polymorphism, fourth novel DNA sequence. First option, gene expressed as RNA. Colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infant because it contains a natural killer cell, second monocytes, third macrophages, fourth immunoglobulin A. 105. Fourth option, immunoglobulin A. 106. Select the incorrect statement for inbreeding increase homozygosity. Second, inbreeding essential to evolve purulin in any animal. Third, inbreeding selects harmful recessive gene that reduce fertility and productivity. Fourth, inbreeding help in accumulation of superior gene and elimination of undesirable gene. Third option, inbreeding select harmful recessive gene that reduce fertility and productivity. 107. Select the correct sequence of the transport of the sperm cell in male reproductive system. Second, first testis 9I, seminiferous tubule, vasa differentia. Second option, seminiferous tubule, retitestis, vasa differentia, epididymis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, urethral meatus. 108. A gene locus has two allele A and small a. If the frequency of a dominant allele A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous, dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? इसको तो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. 109. Match the following organisms with their respectively character. पीला का होगा रेडुला, तो थर्ड ऑप्शन कट गया. बॉम्बिक्स का होगा माल्फिगन ट्यूब्यूल्स. नहीं यार, माल्फिगन ट्यूब्यूल्स. सेकेंड ऑप्शन. प्लेरोब्राकिया का होगा सेकेंड कॉम्बो प्लेट्स, और टेनिया का होगा फ्लमसेन. 110. The shorter and longer arm of the submetacentric and chromosomal are referred to as first S arm and L arm respectively, second P arm and Q arm respectively, third Q arm and P arm respectively, fourth M arm and N arm respectively. Second P arm and Q arm respectively. 111. What is the site of perceptions of photoperiod necessary for the induction of flowering in plants? First lateral buds, second pulvins, third shoot apex, fourth leaves. 112. Which part of the brain is responsible for thermoregulation? First cerebrum, second hypothalamus, third corpus callosum, fourth medulla oblongata. Second hypothalamus. 113. Which of the following pairs of the organelles does not contain DNA? First chromosome and lysosome, second chloroplast and the vacuoles, third lysosome and vacuoles, fourth nuclear envelope and mitochondria. Third lysosome and vacuole. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia and is sterile? First Turner syndrome, second Klinefelter syndrome, third Edwards syndrome, fourth Down syndrome. Second Klinefelter syndrome. Part second 2019 NEET. 115. Xylem translocate. First water only, water and mineral salt only, third water, mineral salt and some organic nitrogen only, fourth water, mineral salt, some organic nitrogen and hormones. Fourth option, water, mineral salt, some organic nitrogen and hormones. 116. Which of the following pairs of gases is mainly responsible for greenhouse effect? First ozone and ammonia, second ozone and nitrogen, third nitrogen and sulfur dioxide, fourth carbon dioxide and methane. Fourth option, carbon dioxide and methane. 117. Which of the following protocols did aim for reducing emission of chlorofluorocarbon into the atmosphere? First Montreal Protocol, second Kyoto Protocol, third Gothenburg Protocol, fourth Geneva Protocol. 117 का first Montreal Protocols. 118. In some plants, the female gametes develop into embryo without fertilization. This phenomenon is known as First, autogamy. Second, parthenogenesis. Third, syngamy. Fourth, parthenogenesis. Which of the following sexual transmitted disease is not completely curable? First, gonorrhea. Second, genital warts. Third, genital herpes. Fourth, chlamydiasis. Third, genital herpes. 120. Which of the following immune response is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? First, autoimmune response. Second, humoral immune response. Third, inflammatory immune response. Fourth, cell mediated immune response. 121. Which of the following factors is responsible for the formation of concentrated urine? First, low level of antidiuretic hormone. Second, maintaining hyperosmolarity toward inner medullary intestinum in the kidney. Third, secretion of erythropoietin by juxtaglomerular complex. Fourth, hydrostatic pressure during agglomeration filtrate. Second, maintain hyperosmolarity without toward inner medullary intestinum in the kidney. 122. Which of the following features of genetic code does allow bacteria to produce human insulins by recombinant DNA technology? First, genetic code is not ambiguous. Second, genetic code is redundant. Third, genetic code is nearly universal. Fourth, genetic code is specific. Third, genetic code is nearly universal. 123. Which of the following statement is not correct? Lysosomes have numerous hydrolytic enzymes. Second, the hydrolytic enzyme of lysosome are active under acidic pH. Third, lysosomes are membrane bound structure. Fourth, lysosomes are formed by the process of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. Fourth option, lysosomes are formed by the process of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. The concept of omnicellula e-cellula regarding cell division was first proposed by Rudolf Virchow, Theodor Schwann, Sheldon Aristotle. First, Rudolf Virchow. Use of an artificial kidney during hemodialysis may result in nitrogen waste build up in the body, non-eliminations of excess potassium ion, reduced absorption of calcium ion from gastrointestinal tract, reduced RBC production. Which of the following option is the most appropriate? Third, C and D. Reduce absorption of calcium ion from gastrointestinal tract. D, reduce RBC production. 126. What is the direction of movement of a sugar in phloem? First, non-multidirectional. Second, upward. Third, downward. Fourth, bidirectional. Which of the following muscular disorder inherited? Tetany, muscular dystrophy. Third, myasthenia gravis. Fourth, botulism. Second, muscular dystrophy. 128. Consider following feature: organ system level of an organism. Second, bilateral symmetry. Third, true coelomate with segment of body. Select the correct option of animal group which possesses all the above character. First, Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata. Second, Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Third, Arthropoda, Mollusca and Chordata. Fourth, Annelida, Mollusca and Chordata. 128. First answer, Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata. The frequency of recombination between gene pair on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes was explained by T.H. Morgan, George G. Mendel, Alfred Sturtevant, Sutton and Boveri. Third, Alfred Sturtevant. 130. Following statement describe the characteristics of the enzyme restriction endonuclease. Identify the incorrect statement. First, the enzyme cut DNA molecule at identified position within the DNA. The enzyme bind DNA at a specific site and cuts only one of the two strands. Third, the enzyme cuts the sugar phosphate backbone at the specific site on each strand. Fourth, the enzyme recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA. Second, the enzyme cuts the sugar phosphate backbone at a specific site on each strand. 131. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First, morels and truffles are edible, delicious. Second, claviceps is a source of many alkaloid and LSD. Third, conidia are produced exogenously and ascospores endogenously. Fourth, yeast have filamentous bodies with long thread like hyphae. Fourth, yeast have filamentous body with long thread-like hyphae incorrect. 132. Placentation in which ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or in peripheral part is first basal, second axial, third parietal, fourth free central, third parietal. 133. Which of the following is the most important cause for animal and plant being driven to extinction? First, habitat loss and fragmentation, second, drought and floods, third, economic exploitation, fourth, alien species invasion. First, habitat loss and fragmentation. 134. Variation caused by mutation as proposed by Hugo de Varies are first, random and directional, second, random and directionless, third, small and directionless, fourth, small and directionless, random and directionless, second. 135. Respiratory quotient RQ value of triple methane is first 0.9, second 0.7, third 0.07, fourth 0.09, second 0.7. 136. In Erythrium snapdragon, a red flower was crossed with a white flower, and in F1 generation, pink flower were obtained when pink flower were self. The F2 generation showed white, red, and pink flower. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. First, the experiment does not follow the principle of dominance. Second, pink color in F1 is due to incomplete dominance. Third, ratio of F2 is 1/4 red is to 2:4 pink. Ratio 1:4 white. Fourth, law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. Fourth, law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. 137. Select the incorrect statement. First, male fruit fly is heterogamete. Second, in male grasshopper 50% of sperm have no sex chromosome. Third, in domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depend on the type of sperm rather than egg. Fourth, human male have one of their sex chromosome much shorter than the other. Third, in domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depend on the type of sperm rather than egg. 138. The correct sequence of phase of cell cycle is first M G1 G2 S, second G1 G2 S M, third S G1 G2 M, fourth G1 S G2 M. Fourth. 139. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out first nitrogen fixation, second chemoautotropic fixation, third nitrification, fourth denitrification. Fourth option, denitrification. Polyblend, a fine powder of a recycled modified plastic, has proved to be a good material of first making plastic sacks, second use of fertilizer, third construction of road, fourth making tube and pipes. Third option, construction of road. 141. From evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with developing young embryo on the parent sporophyte for some times is first observed in first live-wort, second mosses, third pteridophyte, fourth gymnosperm. Third pteridophyte. 142. Select the correct option. 8th, 9th and 10th pairs of a rib articulate directed with the sternum. Second, 11th and 12th pair of ribs are connected to the sternum with the help of the hilum cartilage. Third, each rib is a flat, thin bone and all the ribs are connected dorsally to the thoracic vertebrae and ventrally to the sternum. Fourth, there are seven pair of a vertebro-sternal, 3 pairs of a vertebro-chondral and 2 pairs of a vertebral ribs. Fourth, there are 7 pair of a vertebro-sternal, 3 pair of a vertebro-chondral and 2 pairs of the vertebral ribs. 143. Concanavaline A is first an alkaloid, second an essential oil, third a lectin, fourth a pigment. A lectin. 144. Extrusion of a second polar body from egg nucleus occur first after entry of sperm but before fertilization, second after fertilization, third before entry of sperm into ovum, fourth simultaneously with the first cleavage. First after entry of sperm but before fertilization. 145. Pinus seed cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because first its embryo is immature, second it has obligate association with the mycorrhiza, third it has very hard seed coat, fourth its seed contain inhibitors that prevent germination. 145. Second option, it has obligate association with the mycorrhiza. 146. The earth summits held in Rio de Generio in 1992 was called first to reduce CO2 emission and global warming, second for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefit, third to assess threat posed to native species by invasive weed species, fourth for immediate step to discontinue use of CFCs that were damaging the ozone layer, second for conservation of biodiversity and suitable utilization of its benefit. 147 DNA precipitations out of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with first isopropyl, second chilled ethanol, third methanol at room temperature, fourth chilled chloroform, second chilled ethanol. 148 grass leaf curl inward during very dry weather. Select the most appropriate reason for the following: first closure of stomata flaccid of bulliform cell, third shrinkage of air spaces in sponges mesophyll, fourth tylosis in vessels. 148 का second facility of the bulliform cells. 149 match the following structure with their respectively location in organ: A. Crypts of Lebercunch, B. Gleason capsule, C. Isolate Langerhans, D. Bernard glands. First pancreas, second duodenum, third small intestine, fourth liver. Third option A का third crypt of Lebercunch, small intestine, B का fourth Gleason capsule, liver, C का first isolate of Langerhans, pancreas, Bernard gland, duodenum. 150 match the following hormone with the respectively disease: A. Insulin, B. Thyroxine, C. Corticoid, D. Growth hormone. First Addison disease, second diabetic insipidus, third acromegaly, fourth goiter, fifth diabetes mellitus. Select the correct option. 150 third A का फिफ्थ, ए का इंसुलिन का डायबिटिक मेलाइटिस, बी का फोर्थ थायरोक्सिन का ग्वाइटर, सी का फर्स्ट एडिसन डिजीज कॉर्टिकॉइड का एडिसन डिजीज, डी का थर्ड ग्रोथ हार्मोन का आर्कोमेजेली. 151 which of the following conservative method do involve a role of a hormone? First lactation amenorrhea pills emergency contraceptives, second barrier method lactation amenorrhea pills, third COT pills emergency contraceptives, fourth pills emergency contraceptives barrier method. 151 का first lactation amenorrhea pills emergency contraceptive. 152 drug called heroin is synthesis by first methylations of a morphine, second acetylation of a morphine, third glycosylations of a morphine, fourth nitration of a morphine. Second option acylation of a morphine. 153 in a species the weight of a newborn range from 2 to 5 kg. 97% of a newborn with an average weight between 3 to 3.3 kg survival, whereas 99% of the infant born the weight from 2 to 2.5 kg or 4.5 to 5 kg die. Which type of a selection process is take place? The first direction selection, second stabilization selection, third disruptive selection, fourth cyclic selection. 153 का second stabilization selection. 154 conservation of a glucose 6-phosphate. The first irreversible reaction of a glycolysis is catalyzed by first aldolase, second hexokinase, third enolase, fourth phosphofructokinase. 154 second option hexokinase. 155 which of the following statement is correct? First, cornea is an external, transparent and protective proteinaceous covering of the eyeball. Second, cornea consists of dense connective tissues of elastin and can repair itself. Third, cornea is convex, transparent layer which is highly vascularized. Fourth, cornea consists of a dense matrix of a collagen and the most sensitive portion of the eye. Fourth option, cornea consists of a dense matrix of a collagen and its most sensitive portion of the eye. 156 which of the following ecological pyramid is generally inverted? First, pyramid of a number in a grassland, second, pyramid of energy, third, pyramid of a biomass in a forest, fourth, pyramid of a biomass in a sea, fourth, pyramid of biomass in the sea. 157 consider the following statement: A, coenzyme or metal ion that is tightly bound the enzyme protein is called prosthetic group. B, a complete catalytic active enzyme with its bound prosthetic group is called apoenzyme. Select the correct option. Second, A is true and B is false. 158. Due to the increasing airborne allergens and the pollutant, many people in urban areas are suffering from respiratory disorder causing wheezing due to first being growth on a mucus lining of a nasal cavity, second inflammation of a bronchi and the bronchioles, third proliferation of a fibrous tissue and damage of the alveolar wall, fourth reduction in the secretion of a surfactant by the pneumocytes, second inflammation of a bronchi and the bronchioles. 159. Which of the following statement regarding post-fertilization development in a flowering plant is incorrect? First, ovary develop into fruit. Second, zygote develop into embryo. Third, central cell envelope into endosperm develop central cell develop into the endosperm. Fourth, ovule develop into embryo sac. Fourth, ovule develop into the embryo sac. Phloem in gymnosperm like first albuminous cell and sheaf cell, second sheaf tube cell, third companion cell only, fourth both sheaf tube and companion cell. Fourth also both sheaf tube and companion cell. 161. It take very long time for pineapple plant to produce flower. With which combination of a hormone can be applied to artificially induce flowering in pineapple plant throughout the year to increase yield? First, auxin and ethylene, second, gibberellin and cytokinin, third, gibberellin and abscisic acid, fourth, cytokinin and abscisic acid. First, auxin and ethylene. 162. Persistent nucleus in the seed is known as first, chalaza, second, perisperm, third, hilum, fourth, tegmen. 162. Second, perisperm. 163. Cell in G0 phase. First, exit the cell cycle, second, enter the cell cycle, third, suspend the cell cycle, fourth, terminate the cell cycle. 163 का third, suspend the cell cycle. 164. Match the column first and the column second. Column first, column second. A saprophyte, second, first, symbiotic association of a fungi with the plant root, second, decomposition of a dead organic material, saprophyte. B, parasite.
B, parasite living on living plants or animals. C, lichen. Fourth, symbiotic association of algae in the fungi, mycorrhiza. Symbiotic association of fungi in the plant root. 165. Fourth option. What would be the heart rate of a person if the cardiac output is 5 liter, blood volume in the ventricles at the end of a diastole is 100 ml and at the end of a ventricular systole is 50 ml? First, 50 beat per minute, second, 75 beat per minute, third, 100 beat per minute, fourth, 125 beat per minute, third, 100 beat per minute. 166. What trigger activations of a protozoan to activate Bt toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis in bollworm? First, body temperature, second, moist surface of midgut, third, alkaline pH of a gut, fourth, acidic pH of a stomach. Third, alkaline pH of a gut. 167. The ciliated epithelial cell are required to move particles or mucus in a specific direction in human. These cells are mainly present in first, bile duct and the bronchiole, second, fallopian tubes and the pancreatic duct, third, eustachian tube and the salivary duct, fourth, bronchioles and fallopian tubes, fourth, bronchioles and the fallopian tube. 168. Which of the statement given below is not true about formation of an annual ring in a tree? First, annual ring is a combination of a spring wood and autumn wood produced in a year. Second, different active of a cambium cause light and dark band of tissues early and late wood respectively. Third, active of a cambium depend upon variation climates. Fourth, annual ring are not prominent in trees temperate region. 1. Fourth, annual ring are not prominent in tree of temperate region. 169. What is the fate of the male gamete discharge in the synergid? First, one fuse with the egg, others degenerate in the synergid. Second, all fuse with the egg. Third, one fuse with the egg, other fuse with synergic nucleus. Fourth, one fuse with the egg and other fuse with the central cell nuclei. Fourth, one fuse with the egg and other fused with central cell nuclei. 170. Match the following gene of the leg operon with their respectively product. A. I gene. A. I gene repressor. B. Z gene. B. galactosides. C. A gene transtylase. D. permease. Y gene. 171. Select the correct sequence of the organ in which the alimentary canal of the cockroach is starting from mouth. 171 का फर्स्ट pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, ileum, colon, rectum. 172. Match the hominids with their correct brain size. फर्स्ट का थर्ड. Homo habilis 160 to 800 cc. B का फोर्थ. Homo neanderthalensis 1400 cc. C का फर्स्ट. Homo erectus 900 cc. D का सेकेंड. Homo sapiens 1350 cc. 173. Identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of a typhoid fever and the confirmative test for the typhoid. First, Plasmodium vivax UTI test. Second, Streptococcus pneumonia Vidal test. Third, Salmonella typhi and Thrown test. Fourth, Salmonella Vidal test. Fourth, Salmonella typhi Vidal test. 174. How does steroid hormone influence the cellular activities? First, changing the permeability of the cell membrane. Second, binding to DNA and forming a gene hormone complex. Third, active cycle AMP located on the cell membrane. Fourth, using aquaporin channel and second messenger binding to DNA and forming a gene hormone complex. 175. Tidal volume and the expiratory reserve volume of an athlete is 500 ml and 1000 ml respectively. What will be the expiratory capacity if the residual volume is 1200 ml? First, 1500 ml. Which of the first 1500 ml, second 1700 ml, third 2200 ml, fourth 2700 ml. First answer 1500 ml. 176. Which of the following is a commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? First cyclosporin A, second strain, third streptokinase, fourth lipase, second strain. 177. Which of the following statement regarding no mitochondria is incorrect? First, outer membrane is permeable to the monomers of carbohydrate, fats and protein. Second, enzyme of electron transport and are embedded in outer membrane. Third, inner membrane is convoluted with enfolding. Fourth, mitochondria matrix contains single circular DNA molecule and ribosome. Second, enzyme of electron transport are embedded in outer membrane. 178. Match the column first and the column second. Column first and column second. A. P waves. P waves depolarize of ventricles नहीं. Second, depolarization of ventricles नहीं. Third, coronary ischemia नहीं. Depolarization of arteria. P wave depolarization of arteria. Fourth option. B. QRS complex depolarization of ventricles. Yes, सही. T waves repolarization of ventricles reduce in the size of T waves. Coronary ischemia. Third, 178. Select the correct group of biocontrol agent. First, Bacillus thuringiensis, tobacco, mosaic virus, aphids. Second, Trichoderma baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. Third, Oscillatoria, Rhizobium, Trichoderma. Fourth, Nostoc, Azoospermum, polyhedrovirus. Second, Trichoderma baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. 180. Select correct written Correctly written scientific name of a mango which was first described by Carlos Linnaeus. First, Magnifera indica Carl Linnaeus. Second, Magnifera indica Linnaeus. Third, Magnifera indica. Fourth, Magnifera indica. Second, Magnifera indica Linnaeus.